Hello traders. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you all. For those of you who are new to us, we are the TSTWSYS08 traders, and our website is www.stochastic-macd.com. For all trade, we will use the 5% money management rules and apply stop loss in all trade. This video is for educational purposes only, and only for educational purposes, not a signal to buy, not a signal to sell. Okay, very important. The title of this video is about how to filter out the RSI indicator fake signal. The strategy of filtering out fake signal is so important in trading, because traders take signals. Okay, you want to take a bullish signal, you want to know whether it's a valid bullish signal, and you want to understand the language of the price and trade the price instead of trading the indicator. The problem that traders are facing is that they are trading the indicator, therefore taking signal from the indicator instead of taking the signal from the price. The price gives signal, indicator indicates something, a warning to us, but the price gives the signal. You understand? So when a CCI or any other oscillator or the RSI is overbought or oversold, the price must confirm to us that it is truly overbought. Otherwise, it's just an indication that we can purely acknowledge and enjoy and pay attention to without rushing into a conclusion. A smart trader is a patient trader. I was one of the aggressive, impatient trader. That's why I understand. When I see a trader being very impatient, I slow the trader down. I pull myself away. I don't say anything. I slow the trader down because I know that this trader is going in the wrong direction. I see traders also coming in, buying trading system after trading system. Now recently we stopped some traders buying our system because we see that. Say buy system. You want to buy another system? Want to buy another system? No, it's not the system. It's you, the most important trading tool. And trading the price. If you purchase more than 5 trading systems or more than 3 trading systems, and you didn't find the answer, it's not the system, it's you. It's that simple. Okay. So I want to show you how you can filter out the RSI fake signal. In this case, we will reveal to you how you do it properly. Right here you see the RSI. I'm using here the RSI 18, 118. Okay, why am I using 18? I do my homework, I test it on different time frame, see which time frame, which settings working perfect in another time frame. But because you are trading the price, you don't have to worry about the setting, and any indication you will check it with the price. So it's not a which setting. So I know some traders one time told me that I use this powerful RSI setting, blah blah blah, and it's one of the wonderful, but it's the price. Okay, it's the price. Okay, so the CCI, not the CCI in this case, because the previous video was about how to filter out the CCI indicator fake signal. This was what coming to my mind. Okay, this video is about how to filter out the relative strength index, the RSI indicator first signal. Okay, we want to talk about the overbought conditions and oversold conditions. The RSI is overbought for the first time. As soon as it crosses above the 70 level, I'm using the RSI 18. Overbought zone set at 70. Okay, and oversold zone set at 30. So as soon as my RSI 18 crosses above the level of 70 for the first time on this daily chart of Dell, my favorite stock. Okay, okay, because Dell has improved recently. Their company excellent business now. Okay, as soon as the RSI crosses above the 70, the overbought zone reaches the overbought zone for the first time. My concentration going low, ladies and gentlemen, please accept my apology. It's lunch time in London, forgive me. Okay, so we draw our horizontal line. So right here, I will check, okay, that day. Okay, here, okay, it goes here this day, right here. This one here. As soon as my RSI reaches the overbought zone, I'll draw my pencil, okay, and draw horizontal line right here for that the closing price or the high of that day perfectly. That's it. Draw my line. This is to filter out the RSI fake signal. That's my warning line. So because when the RSI is in the overbought zone above 70, right here, my RSI 18.18, there's nothing special about it. Okay, so I draw my line and I'm watching because I know that a lot of traders would like to sell. So I have my line ready. All I'm doing, I'm sitting down in my chair, cross my leg, okay, sipping my tea or my coffee and watching the reaction of the price using the TSCWSY08, TSCW24, TSCWSY008, or even TSCW24, switching to the first best time frame, watching the reaction of the price. You see here, this particular day, you see the first time the price went down. Here, the first day was this one here. The second one was this one, it went down. The third day, it went up a bit to retest it. Following day, it went down, only to crash above it. So you may see very often in this zone that the price may be consolidating because some traders are selling because the RSI is overbought. And some contrarian, what we call contrarian traders, want to take these people out, so they will buy instead. So you may see sometimes the price will consolidate around this zone, but all you are doing, because you know that this is a hot spot trading zone, you draw your warning line, which is this yellow line, to highlight the high of that particular day right there, and you are watching the activity of the price, switching to your favorite lower time frame or using your trading tool. You want to give priority to buying above the yellow line and priority to selling below that level. You understand? Okay, that's what you want to do. Okay, so you have your warning line here, and this particular day, as soon as you see it went above it, you receive a signal to buy. You buy, and it's going up nicely, taking all these people selling here, their stop loss out, and you are also enjoying your trade instead of suffering like every other trader. As you can see, the price did not move fast here. There was a consolidation, which is a choppy market, ups and down, ups and down. You'll be seeing what's going on here. Okay, it's because some traders are selling, some traders are buying at this important level. But the key is to draw your horizontal line and to monitor the activity of the price and to trade the price, not the indicator. The old-fashioned way of trading is to just place order here to sell. Yes, if you have excellent money management rules that you follow carefully, that will be your trading system. Or some traders will buy and sell at the same time. They will place order to buy, they will place order also to sell at the same time. If this is their tested trading system with excellent money management rule, that's their system. All I'm saying to traders, to filter out fake signal, draw your horizontal line as soon as the indicator reaches the overbought or oversold zone, and monitor the activity of the price. And as soon as you receive a clear-cut signal, you will take it, i.e. price dip below that level, retest it and turn around. Right here, there was a signal here to sell, but did not last because there are some support here. It was a choppy session. You went above it, at least you make the right decision. The scenario here, it went above it, come back, retest it, start turning around. This is a good signal here. One day, 2 days, it went up a bit, but it come back down again. If you look carefully here, the RSI 18, my RSI 18 was oversold in this session here. As soon as it closes below the oversold zone, below the 30, we'll draw our horizontal line on this particular day right here, where my white horizontal line is, and monitor the activity of the price. We want to sell below the line and buy above it. You see? So if you were here at that time, as you can see, the CCR, not the CCR, I'm talking about CCR all the time. The RSI, my RSI is quite good. This setting is quite good on the daily chart. You can see that it was oversold. It went down a few days here. Okay, it was oversold for the first time. Watch the horizontal white line here in this case. It went below it for a few days, only to go back above it. This is a gorgeous signal here. If I draw my, my time is finishing now, ladies and gentlemen. Watch carefully here, this session, that's why I'm going this slow. You can see that when my RSI 18 was oversold, right here, for the first time, that was this candle here. The price did not go up straight away, it went down. If you place order here to buy straight away, if you don't have a proper stop loss, if you don't manage your trade, you'll be taken out only to see go up. So it's to monitor the activity of the power on this warning line, which I'm going to color again yellow in this session here. You see, you went below it instead of going up. Okay, But you monitor it, you see, now it turn around and return above it. You return above it, you want it to retest it. This is this there here, the red one here. See, you went above it and retest it with the red one. And start going up. That's a turnaround. It's going away. It's going away. Okay? It's going away. Okay? So this is how you will filter out the fake signal using the horizontal line. So to summarize quickly, if you hit the overbought zone for the first time, draw a horizontal line and monitor it. As you can see here, even though the RSI 18 was in overbought zone, trader was selling, the price went up. To avoid those nasty surprises, you will draw a horizontal line and trade the price, okay, in this zone carefully using your tool. Here again you can see that it was oversold, but the price dipped down for 2 days before returning above it. Trade the price, use the horizontal line to filter out the RSI fake signal. In this section here you can see that the RSI was purely, gorgeously, beautifully, okay, if you allow me to use those kind of words, okay, beautifully overbought above the 70 level. And what the price was doing, the price, which is the #1 indicator that traders should watch instead of trading the indicator, was going up nicely, okay, on this monthly chart of this there. Can you see that? So when traders were selling, you are buying instead. If you did exactly like I told you, right here, as soon as it becomes overbought, you draw your horizontal line here. Now it break above it and retest it, you will buy instead of selling. This is how you will filter out the fake signal using the horizontal line, the yellow warning horizontal line, to filter out the RSI fake signal. If you want to know more about the RSI indicator, you need to go to www.dayprotraders and watch all the 5 videos regarding how to filter out the RSI fake signal. Thank you for watching, and we will speak to you very soon. We are the TSTW SYS08 traders.